Hi guys, here's the channel. Mommy and I'll go coffee.
Where are we going?
We're going to coffee.
Say it properly.
Are we going to the cafe?
We're going to the coffee. Yeah.
We're not going to there. There was dark there.
We're going to get our coffee.
I got a necklace. I'm happy.
Da, pa-coffee lang si Inday, oh. Come on, let's go. Hold Mama's hand. Oh, do you want Mama to hold that for you? Okay. Whoa.
Yeah. Mom, give me coffee.
Okay, I will. I'll just put you in first. There you go. The other one? Okay, I'm gonna do it for you, okay? There you go. Good job. Have I done?
Coffee.
Have I done?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Wow, looks so cute, baby girl.
That's what I'm going to do.
Are you a magician? That looks really cute on you. Show me. That looks gorgeous, Baba. You're beautiful.
Look at this bag.
Oh.
I like you. I like you, Mom.
Yeah, like mine.
Like you.
Okay, show me. Oh, cool. Show. Tingnan niyo. Liwat kasi ang giliwatan. Wow, it looks so cute. Do you like it? Ibang bag naman. What are you trying to do, sweetheart?
I'm just going to sleep.
Oh, just sit. Okay. Alright. Wow, tingnan niya. Siya talaga yung humila ng kanyang chair. Gusto niya umupo. Look at these two. They're best friends. Ay! Best friends that are biting the shoes. Bantay ka lang kalong Louie.
But it's okay.
Tell him not to bite your shoes, please.
No. It's okay.
It's okay. It's not okay. It's not okay because it's your shoes.
I know. It's just an idea.
What's something idea, Lynn? What's your something idea?
Where?
Last night, guys, Daddy was cleaning this room kasi dito namin nilagay yung mga bitbit namin from Melbourne. And 1 week later pa lang namin tsaka na labas. Like na-unpack. Diyos ko, Lord. Anyways, so lumabas kami ni Baby Celine kanina after naming ihatid si Ate Paris sa school. And munta kami sa shops pero wala kaming binili. Tingin-tingin lang kami ni Baby Celine doon. Nire-ready ko yung kailangan nating i-post today. Nabenta natin, guys. So, 2 bag ang kailangan natin galing sa post office. So, the first bag is this new na large size, guys. Like, pang travel talaga tong bag na to. Yan. Diba? Sobrang laki. The inside looks like that. Sobrang spacious niya. dami kang mailalagay. Ayan.
Again.
Mew, 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 mew. And then, the other one is the Celine na para siyang denim na material, but it's canvas, pero dahil sa kulay niya, parang denim siyang tingnan. Yeah. Ito siya naman, I sold it online sa return buyer ko. So, she bought 3 bags of me already. And, yeah, I'm very happy kasi bumalik siya, guys. And she bought this one. That's the Celine. Vintage na to siya. Wala nang lumalabas na nito ngayon. And the inside, punong-puno ng palaman. Yeah, we'll do the cleaning bago natin dahil sa post office. And we'll do it before picking up Ate Paris. Kasi mamayang hapon, after natin pick upin si Ate Paris, yung si Amy, yung friend namin, ay pupunta dito kasi magtitingin siya ng bag. So, and then later on, I think dalawin namin yung mga kids sa tennis. So, yeah, busy tayo ngayon, guys. Si Daddy Mike naman ay maagang umalis kanina sa work, sa office ng work. And ito yung mga nilalagay ko sa loob ng bag para mag-stay yung kanilang shape. Although, ito naman siya, hindi naman talaga siya na ano yung kanyang shape kasi fabric naman siya. Hindi naman siya leather, so hindi siya distort. If you know what I mean. Linisan natin yung mga hardware nila. So, ganito kasi yung nangyayari, guys. Kapag yung bag ay nasa stock lang sa closet mo, they tend to ganyan. O, diba? May nag-aano yung kulay niya. So, yung katapat lang niyan is yung ating metal polisher, which is, hindi ko na alam kung gusto mo. Oh yeah, that's Daddy's ring. It's okay. You give it to him later when he comes home, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I love her too much.
Aww, I love you too very much. Kiss ayun. Aalis na kami ni Baby Celine, guys. We're going to take these to the post office. You ready? Celine, are you ready? Oh, Mama's going. Are you ready or what? Okay. Oh my goodness. Mama, take you. Oopsie daisy. Go grab it. Sa labas na kami, guys. Na alam niyo ba, sobrang sunny sa Brisbane today. Napakaganda ng araw, guys. I think it's 23, 25. Come on, my love. Iba talaga kapag sunny, guys. Like, isa talaga yung weather sa nakakapag paganda ng mood mo. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go! Okay, Lord. Is it fishy? Napanik ako ng very large, guys, kasi yung aking tennis bracelet ay nawala. Napansin ko lang siya sa loob ng sasakyan. Agad kasi may nakita ako isang bracelet sa loob ng sasakyan. Sabi ko, ilagay ko. Sabi, oh my God, yung aking tennis bracelet. Dito ko lang hahanapin sa labas ngayon. Kasi buti na lang, guys. Kasi ito talagang pag-vlog ay nakakatulong din. So, tinignan ko yung vlog ko kanina doon sa loob kami nung napapakita ako ng bags. At nandun pa ang aking tawag dito, aking tennis bracelet. That just shows na nandito lang yan siya. So, kung wala dito, nandun lang yun sa taas. My God. Diyos ko, Lord, from collaboration pa naman yun. Uy! Siya lang nag-open-open ang kanyang window. Big girl, close it, please. Kung hindi ko binalikan yung vlog ko kanina, guys, talagang mag-stress na talaga si mami nyo. Kasi isipin ko baka nalaglag sa shop or nung kanina kami, nasa labas kami, o, diba? So at least, kung wala dito, for sure nandun lang yung sa loob. Isn't that right, Bobby? Close it now, please. Thank you. Close the window. Thank you. Good girl. Ready?
Yeah.
Dito kami sa grocery store ni Baby Celine.
Balloon!
Balloon. Bibili kami ng tubig. At while nandito kami, bibili na lang din kami ng pagkain. Good girl, Baba.
Hospital.
You share with Ati?
Mom, that's for babies.
That's very kind of you to share with Ati. Ati would love that.
Mom, that's for babies.
Yeah.
Not for me. And for you.
It's not for you.
Yeah,
Aren't you a baby?
I'm not. I'm not baby.
Aren't you?
I'm not.
What are you then?
I'm Celine.
You're Celine. Okay.
I'm not baby.
If you say so. We are home, guys. Pumunta kami ng grocery ni Baby Celine after namin pumunta ng post office. So, I am planning to cook for tonight, guys. Anyways, bumili kami ng milk. Bumili kami ng water. Oh my God! Napakabigat. Bottled water and sibuyas, sabon, panghugas, plato. We've got some sabon for the face. We have some sleepy bunny here. Come, sweetheart. Come on. Meron tayong yung mga maliliit na cucumber. Cucumber. Toothpaste. Ito yung lulutuin ko, guys. Bumili ako ng coconut milk. Capsicum. Bell pepper. Hi, come to mama. Do you want to show Tita what you have there? Show Tita P. Oh, juice! From the shop. Carrots. Strawberries. Did you open already?
Do we open it?
Louis opened it.
Yeah.
Louis?
He broke it.
Oh, it's okay. You can open it anyways. Meat. So yung... Ala! Ngayon ko lang naisip pa.
Oh, that's a snake then.
Oh my God! I hope we have it. Otherwise, epic fail. Ay, meron tayo. So Mommy's gonna cook beef curry tonight. Are you gonna eat Mommy's cooking? I love you. You love me. So ito yung perfect. Yum, na-miss ko to, guys.
Strawberry.
Okay. Good. Strawberry. Got diced tomatoes. Another coconut milk. Chicken and shampoo. Pantene Miracles.
Open.
Hang on. Oh, I actually have this one for you, baby girl.
Open.
Where's the thing?
Open. Open this one.
Mmm. Chicken. Who's holding you? Auntie Amy's in the house. The kids are home now, guys. We are going to play tennis. Yeah. We'll take them home para ma-enjoy sila. There, very cute the outfit na Anya and Irene. Love your skirt. Can I have that skirt?
It's hot.
Yeah, because even exciting. It's only 3 minutes drive sa bahay namin, guys. Napakalayo. Binali. Ganyan pala yan. Oh. So you can rent a coat. So magre-rent dito ng mga tools.
I don't have those. Look, I got one. I got 21.
Okay, thank you. Yay! Well done.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, good job.
1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Well done.
1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Woohoo!
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Then above. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Fight. Aww.
Who's that lang? Who's that?
I love you. Oh. Mama. Love you, Ate. You been a good girl? I seen you hitting that tennis ball. Did you play tennis, Lin?
Have a look at Lainey, her
She
hand.
didn't hit that. Throw it.
Very.
Anya.
Anya.
I see Anya
Did you have fun
Mouse.
with her?
Lainey, you haven't seen Daddy for at least 3 months now?
When I was assembly, remember when you sing it, you say young?
Huh?
Remember when you sing Australian song?
Oh, yeah. Young
Yeah.
and free.
You say young, but in my school, they write it one.
One and free.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the young. Oh, hang on. We are young. Yeah, it's young.
Yeah, but that's one and
Why
free.
does my school say young? One.
Hang on, you've been a good girl today. I'm not, I'm showing it to you. This is for Mama. Yeah, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Let me hand feed you. Like that.
Louis, stop.
What? I'm saying you like it. You do, don't you? You like that?
I like that thing there.
Do you like it? You like it? It's been a good girl.
I'm thinking a little bit.
But it's okay? It's not bad?
So where do you sit now, Mom? At work? Is it the same?
Yeah. A level 4. I'll sit next to Celeste today.
Oh, Nak! Let me know if you can see my bracelet lang. You know, my stone bracelet lang. I lost it here sometime today.
Mine. You mean the one with the pictures?
No, you know, with the stones, the gems. Because I had it here before. I don't know where it went. I couldn't find it. Diba sinabi ko sa inyo before, guys, yung aking bracelet, hindi ko rin siya nakita dito sa loob ng bahay. Hindi ko na alam kung saan na nakalagay. Very important pa naman yun kasi special yun sa akin ba kasi yung collaboration ko sa yung kumpanya na parang bago lang sila nag-open tapos they trusted me to do a collaboration with their products. Yung kasama ng ring na to. Tingnan nyo, I really love that one. And that's also very pricey, you know? Hindi ko na alam talaga kung saan mailagay. It's super frustrating, guys. Sana mahanap ko ba. Anyways, life must go on. To be here somewhere. Ang pinag-worry ko lang talaga is baka nalagay ako sa bin. You know, alam mo yun, sa garbage bag. Baka nalaglag. Hindi ko na mahanap. So, kain tayo ng kanin. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me. Samihan ko na lang yung kanin kasi ito yung favorite ko na beef curry. Lulutuin ko ngayon. For sure, extra rice.
Cheers.
Yeah, man.
Like this. Actually, like me.
Yeah, you're the same.
Banana milk. Banana milk. I like you. I like you.
Naligo kami, guys. Kaming tatlo. Si mami niyo ay naglalagay ng ganyan sa ating kamukhaan para naman
Daddy, Mommy, I share with Auntie.
makinis ang ating mukha
I
kahit
share with
paano.
Auntie.
Did you share with ate?
Yeah.
Good girl. Very good sharing. Guys, hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa rin nakita yung aking bracelet. I'm very upset. Hindi ko talaga alam kung saan. Hopefully, somewhere lang dito sa bahay. Kasi tinignan ko kanina ang rubbish bin. Wala naman doon.
Stop. I just don't touch you was stop. I don't want the villa. And
Loy, please.
What song is that, Ling?
Papa the villa. You are the one the villa.
Lin, what song is that?
That's TikTok song.
Did you hear that, Lin?
Tag song.
Did you learn it from TikTok? But I don't even have a TikTok.
Aspire to see. How you get to hit me. Don't show something. What's that song? That's a TikTok song again. Spirit.
They never know the TikTok song. Where do you see the TikTok song?
When I was in the phone.
I don't have TikTok.
No, it's in the home. In the phone. When you go on YouTube, like not the kids' YouTube, the grown-up YouTube, there's like this little boxes and there's like videos.
Oh, the reels.
Oh yeah.
Louie, say good night to Louie Ate while you're here.
Good night, Louie boy. Say good night here lang. Thank you for watching today's video, guys.
Good night. Good
Hey, say good night here.
night.
Say good night, Chicky boy.
Good night here, Lini. Lini, say good night, guys.
And guys, if you want handouts like this, because this is actually about, I'll show you. It's a stretchy texture. Say, if it doesn't fit, because it's this small, just stretch it, and it's just very big. There's different colors as well. It just makes this look like a skirt.
Is he a Chicky boy?
This look like a skirt. So, see you later, alligator.